Mm, I love these pictures. I wish they could move and tell a story.
Yes, you are right. I also wish the same.
Hello, Luna. Hello, Jerry.
Hello, Mappy.
Luna, you can make your picture move.
Really? But how?
Yay!
You can use a fun app called ScratchJr. It helps you make stories with moving pictures.
Wow! Can I also do it?
Yes, it is easy and fun. You can make your own story with dancing, jumping, and talking characters.
Yay! I want to learn. Please explain to me.
Okay, first let's start ScratchJr. Look here on the screen. First, we click the Start button on your computer and then let's find ScratchJr and click it. Now click the Home button. Then click the Plus button to start a new project.
Oh, it's very easy. What are these on the screen, Mappy?
These are the components of the ScratchJr window. Let's go through them one by one. Sprite. This is your character. It performs on the stage. Stage. This is where your story happens. Your sprite walks and talks here. Change background. Pick a place for your story, like a park, school, or space. Add text. Write names or titles on your stage. Reset Sprite button. This brings your character back to the starting place. Green flag. Click it to start your animation. Block categories. These are colorful blocks. Yellow. Start the action. Blue. Move your sprite. Purple. Make your sprite look different. Green. Add sound. Orange. Control what happens. Red. Stop everything. Blocks palette. Pick the blocks you want and drag them to build your story. Save button saves your project. Plus button left side adds a new character, sprite. Plus button right side starts a new project, coding area. This is where you join the blocks like a puzzle to tell your story.
Can we add a new character?
Sure, let's add a sprite. First, click the left plus button. Now, choose the character, Tack. At last, click the check mark.
Tack is now on the stage.
But Mappy, I don't like this character. Can we delete it also?
Yes, we can delete the sprite also. Left click and hold the mouse pointer on the sprite. Step 2. Click on the red cross sign.
Mappy, what's that screen behind the character called?
This is called the background, Jerry. It is the screen that appears behind the sprite on the stage.
Can we change it to a different background?
Of course we can do it. Let's follow these steps. First, click on the Change Background button. Then, select the background name Park. Then click on the Check button. And see, the new background will appear behind your sprite.
Wow, Mappy, this is amazing. It really worked.
Mappy, I want to save this project. Can we do this?
Of course, Luna. We can save it. To save your project, click on the Save button on the left side of the screen. ScratchJr will automatically save your project as Project 1, Project 2, and so on.
And what if we want to exit the app?
To exit ScratchJr, make sure your project is saved. Then, click on the Close button at the top right corner.
Thanks, Mappy.
Mappy. Now we know how to use this software. I am excited to use this software.
You're welcome, Luna and Jerry.